Hey guys, Marliese from Simply Fit Mom here. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you 3 quick and easy healthy kids lunchbox ideas / recipes to help get you ready for when back to school starts up so you can spend less time in the kitchen and create amazing lunches for your kids that'll fuel them all day long. Hey guys, Marliese from Simply Fit Mom here, where I help you become a strong, empowered, energetic super mom through food, fitness, and fun lifestyle tips. And today, guys, is part 3 of 3, where I'm going to be teaching you 3 quick and easy healthy kids lunch ideas so you can make sure that your kids are fueled all day long and you're creating the quickest and easiest lunches possible for you. Let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, for today's first recipe, this one is actually one of my favorites. Let me know in the comments below if you love to do this too. Having breakfast for lunch, okay? So this is a breakfast-inspired kids healthy lunchbox idea. So what you're going to need is 2 waffles. You can also make this with sandwich bread as well, guys, but keeping with the breakfast theme, we're going to be using waffles. We're going to need some almond butter or any kind of nut butter that you like. I know a lot of schools don't allow peanut butter, so you'll notice all the recipes in the entire kids lunch series do not include any peanuts whatsoever. So a little bit of almond butter, and we're going to need some strawberry jam or whatever kind of jam you like. We're going to need some fresh fruit. Today I have some, let me just open this up here for you. Let's see what we got. Some strawberries and some blueberries. And we're also going to need a hard-boiled egg. This one I've already cut in half, but you can leave it whole as well. It's completely up to you. Now, for our breakfast lunch box, first we're going to take the waffles. And we're going to spread the jam on one side and the almond butter on the other side to make a delicious waffle-style sandwich. Now, do you guys remember being a kid? And let me know in the comments below. Did you love when your parents made you lunch? Or were you like, my parents weren't very good cooks? My mom and dad, they had their moments, you know? They had their moments where they really made some good lunches, but overall I like to think that, you know, I'm hoping anyway that I've learned a few things from them and also become a better cook as well in the process. Alright, so we're going to spread the jam on the other side, and again, as much or as little as you like, you know your kids' preferences, so again, use these recipes as guidelines rather than hard and fast rules. Okay guys, so now we're going to place the the almond butter and the jam on top of each other. Slice this guy in half and grab our meal prep containers. Now guys, these meal prep containers, you've heard me talk about them in episodes 1 and 2 of this series, and I'm going to talk about them again. These are fantastic. They are completely 100% dishwasher safe, microwave safe, and you can cook in them. I love them. They're so multi-purpose. This is what I use to pack all of the lunches in our house. We're going to place our waffle sandwich facing up just like that. I like to be able to see the layers. Okay, now from there, all we're going to do is grab our fresh fruit, and I'm just going to take the strawberries out. I've already cut them in half, and I'm just going to dump some blueberries in there. Oh, we got a runaway blueberry. Put that guy in there. We're going to put some strawberries on top. And I like to just push the blueberries over a little bit because we're also going to be putting in our hard-boiled egg. And there you have it, guys. A beautiful breakfast for lunch, healthy lunchbox for your kids. We have our waffles with the almond butter and the strawberry jam. So, so yummy. A nice hit of protein and with those eggs and some delicious fruit to finish off the lunch. Alright guys, for lunch idea number 2, this is one of my favorites for kids because it's kind of a build your own sort of lunchbox. Do you guys remember when you were kids and you used to get like the little Lunchables which had like the little pizza doughs and you could put like the cheese and the pepperoni on and like kind of make your own? That's where the inspiration came from for this lunchbox. Today we're going to be making little mini pizzas, but build your own mini pizzas so your kids can take all the components with them to school and then make them with their friends. So what we're going to need is 2 slices of sandwich bread, or you could use like those little like whole wheat wraps, or you could use pita, anything that you can like bread-like that you can cut a circle out of. Okay, so we're going to need a cup to cut our pizza shape out of, so we're going to use that. And then all of the components for the pizza. You know your kids best. So for the pizza I'm going to be making today, we're going to be using some pepperoni slices. We're going to be using some cheese and some tomato sauce. So just super, super simple. It doesn't need to be complicated. And we're going to be serving that pizza with a side of carrot sticks and Caesar dip, as well as a little package of Smarties. So this is more of a treat lunch, something really, really special. So if they have a special event going on at school and or they did really, really well on their homework and you really want to give them a nice lunch as a reward, this is the perfect type of lunch to make. So first of all, we're going to grab our bread. Now, I like to slightly toast the bread, very, very lightly toasting the bread, because it will mean that once you put it in the lunchbox, it won't go soft. So when they put the sauce and the cheese and the pepperoni on, it will be still slightly crunchy and it'll feel a little bit more like pizza. So I just put it in the toaster for like 30 seconds to a minute just to get that little bit of light crisp on it, but you're not looking for a lot of color. Okay, perfect. So we're going to pop our little pizzas, our little pizza crusts out of there. And we're going to set the crusts to the side because we're not going to be using those right now. Now we're going to pop over our meal prep container. And you guys know I love my meal prep containers. The glass ones are my favorite. And of course the links for these are going to be down below. So we're going to place our little pizza crusts in here. And then we'll put our sauce. Now, of course, you want to put the lids on these guys, but I want to show you how pretty it looks without the lids. So we're going to put our cheese and our sauce right there beside each other. And we're going to grab our pepperoni. And we're just going to pile that in beside the pizza crusts, our faux pizza crusts. And then we're going to grab our carrots. Now guys, you'll notice that I have my carrot sticks already cut and stored in water. This is such a game changer for me because I could never figure out how to cut up vegetables and keep them fresh in the fridge. But with carrots and celery especially, this is such a great tip. You cut them up into sticks, you put them in water, you submerge them in water in like a glass jar or a yogurt container, whatever you got around, okay? And then you simply submerge them in water and they'll stay fresh and crispy all week long. Such a game changer. And lastly, we put our carrots in, and then of course we have our Caesar dip for the carrots on the side, or if they want to dip their pizzas in that as well. And here we are, guys. We have our super simple kind of Lunchables inspired pizza, build your own pizza lunch with the little pizza crusts, our chopped up carrot sticks with that Caesar dip, our tomato sauce, our cheese, and of course a little bit of Smarties for a sweet treat to end the meal. And now for the third Healthy Kids Lunchbox idea / recipe. This one is kind of unique, and I love, as I said before guys, I love making food fun for kids because the more interactive and the more fun and the more playful it is, the more likely they are to try new things. And so today's recipe is going to be for chocolate fruit tacos with a side of veggies and hummus. So what we're going to need for today's recipe is some chocolate spread. So you can use Nutella or any other kind of spread you like. This also works really well even if you don't have Nutella, you can use jam or another type of sweet spread as well. We're going to need some bananas for our chocolate fruit tacos because they're going to be chocolate banana today. We're going to need some veggies on the side. So today I have some cherry tomatoes and I also have some cucumbers that I sliced up. And you'll notice here, guys, how I have this kind of striped pattern on the cucumbers. I love doing this whenever I cut up cucumbers for kids because the stripes make it just a little bit more interesting. And all you need to do in order to do that is to just grab your cucumber when it's whole, take a vegetable peeler and slice alternating strips around it before you slice it, and then you can get that really cool pattern, okay? And of course, we're also going to need our taco shells. So what I'm going to be using today is just some sandwich bread where I just put a cup on top and cut a circle around to get that really nice circle shape, just like I did in the previous recipe. So guys, what we're going to do is take our bread here and our bananas, and let's build our tacos together. This is so fun too. You can even get your kids involved when you're making this lunch for them, and they can make their tacos themselves, and they'll be so proud to show them to their friends because they made them themselves. And when kids tend to like make food themselves or to be involved in the food making process, like especially, they tend to have like that pride in their food, right? And they want to eat it more then. So we will just spread that on there. Then we will put our bananas. I like to layer 3 on each one, 3 slices. And then what we're going to do is fold them up just like tacos, just like that. So you can see they're so cute, these little tacos. And we're gonna grab our meal prep container here, our lunchbox container. We're just gonna put those in. Now you can, I'm only making 2 today, and I'm making lunch for a smaller child. But if you want to make one that is, you can make more, you can make 3, you can make 4, however many you like. This one's having trouble staying up. There we go. And now what we're going to do is simply put our vegetables just on the side there, kind of layer those up, and then we'll finish it off by putting our little dish of hummus right on the side. And there you have it, guys. We have our chocolate fruit tacos with our beautiful vegetables on the side with a dipping sauce of hummus. This is such a fun and creative and playful way for your kids to enjoy such a healthy lunch, and I guarantee you they will love it. And there you have it, guys. 3 quick and easy, healthy kids lunch ideas that will allow you to make your kids' lunches super quickly and in a way that makes food really interactive and fun for them so that they will try lots of new things and eat lots of healthy foods this school year. And before we sign off, guys, remember how I mentioned at the beginning of the video about the free Meal Prep Like a Mother Masterclass that I have designed just for you as a busy mom. It kicks off on August 26th. The sign up link is below this video, or you can click here and it will take you directly to the sign up page. Again, it is absolutely 100% totally free, and I have designed it to help you nourish your family with quick, easy, healthy, and delicious meal ideas so you can spend less time in the kitchen, more time relaxing with them, and always have an answer when they ask what's for dinner. It's going to include done for you grocery lists, recipes, and live cooking demos with me, where you can ask all of your cooking questions and get them answered by me personally. I hope to see you on August 26th. And guys, that is it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe because it really supports my channel and it lets me know, but more importantly, it lets YouTube know that this is the type of content you want to see from me. And that's it, guys. Marliese from Simply Fit Mom signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.